Let me show you one of my favorite simple aromatherapy blends for headaches, stress, and tension relief using two oils almost everybody loves, peppermint and lavender. I know I love them. And listen, this is beginner friendly. No chemistry degree required. I mean, just lavender and peppermint and a carrier oil. All right. And the desire to stop feeling like everything hurts. So first, let's talk about why these oils work so beautifully. Okay, here is lavender. Lavender essential oil is known for the calming the nervous system, helping the body relax, supporting stress relief, and promoting better rest, right? We've all heard, get some lavender. It's basically like chill in a bottle with boundaries, okay? So that's lavender. Peppermint. I'm in the season of peppermint, if you don't know. Here's my peppermint. Peppermint is cooling, refreshing, invigorating, amazing for tension. When people have stress headaches or tension around the temples, neck, and shoulders, peppermint gives that cooling sensation that feels so good. Feels so good. But here's the important part. Essential oils are very concentrated. So we dilute them in a carrier oil before putting them on our skin. Do you hear me? You hear me? Think of an essential oil like espresso shots. Strong, powerful, concentrated. Carrier oil smooths everything out and makes it safe for the skin with benefits. Okay. So today we're making a simple 2% dilution blend for a 1-ounce bottle, which is about 30 milliliters, which is 12 drops total of essential oils. Yeah. So here's the recipe. 1 ounce jojoba, sweet almond or fractionated coconut oil, or the oil of your choice, heck, a vegetable oil. 8 drops of lavender, 4 drops of peppermint. That's simple, effective, elegant. Now here's how we use it. Yes, sir. And we simply apply to the temples, the back of our neck, across the shoulders, and anywhere else that hurts. But avoid the eyes, okay? Avoid the eyes. 1 minute you're healing, the next minute your eyeballs are negotiating with the Lord. So don't put this on your face, mama. Don't put this on your face. And another thing I love about this blend is that it's not just for headaches. This combination may also support stress relief, mental fatigue, a long drive to San Diego tomorrow, focus, emotional overwhelm, and relaxation before bed. Yeah, you heard me. Peppermint before bed. It works. And honestly, sometimes the ritual itself is just healing, just mixing and blending is healing. Stopping, breathing deeply, massaging your temples, your shoulder, your back, your hips. It's like a reset. So if you try this blend, let me know how you like it. And don't forget to follow me, like, subscribe, follow me, hit the notification bell for all types of wellness rituals and proper aromatherapy education. I look forward to continuing this relationship with you. Bye-bye.